Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card onto your Paxful account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device and proceed with logging into your account using your biometrics or your PIN. After logging in, you will end up within the home page from which you can directly start making your transactions. Now, in order to add your debit card as a payment method, you will need to verify your account first. Go ahead and choose any cryptocurrency and then tap on the receive option. You will then see the ID verification option. Go ahead and tap on this and then provide all the necessary credentials for your identity verification. Once your ID has been verified, you can scroll down from the home page and tap on all payment methods. Now, within this page, just look for the debit card option from the list of available payment method. After you choose your appropriate debit card method, you will be taken forward into the buy or convert page, within which you can enter your desired amount, and you can also enter your debit card credentials. After entering all of your credentials for your debit card, including your card number, the CVV number as well as the PIN code, you can proceed forward with verifying your identity, and once your identity has been verified, your debit card will be added onto your Paxful account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can add your debit card onto Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.